Hello, you might have came across a problem where you'll have to add some custom product options on your product page in your WooCommerce based website, but you just don't know how to do that. For example, if you are a florist website and you wanted to have an option for the customer to, uh, let's say, pick a date of delivery, or you wanted to have an option on your product page that customer can write in their instruction, and you just don't know how to do that. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add custom product options in your product page using your WooCommerce plugin. If you are excited to learn, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to this plugins and click on add new, and from here you'll have to click on WooCommerce product add-on. Once you will search for WooCommerce product add-ons, this is the first plugin and you will just simply click on install now button. Once you will click on install now button, it will start getting installed. Once it will get installed, we'll activate this plugin, and once it will get activated, we'll start creating our custom option on our product page. Okay, this plugin is already got activated. This plugin also have a premium version, but in this video we are only looking at the free version and the functionality that it offers in the free version. So, and you hover over this product section, you will see this option custom product add-ons. So for currently, under my products tab, I have these following products and they are assigned to these following categories. In the product form, you'll simply have to type in add new form. If I can just show you that how my products are appearing, and you can see there is nothing fancy here. This is just a product title with price and some excerpt of the product, and these are color swatches for product to choose the color of the product, and nothing special. What I want is to have the option here where customer can write in their own message related to this product. So in order to do that, what I'll do is to type in the title here under the custom product add-ons. So in the title you can type in anything. I'll type in message, and from here I'll choose text area. So once we'll click on text area, something similar will appear, and from here click on this button and you can choose whether you want it to be a required field or not a required field. What I want is to have this as required field. As the label, I want it to say message. If you want, you can add the placeholder here. Type in as enter your message here. And you don't have to do anything with there. What you can do is also you have control over rows. We'll have a look at this in just a moment. So from here, I'll have to check in what category I have this product. I have this product in this category. So in this tab, you have all the categories available that you can decide to implement this custom field. So what I'll do is to simply select all of these, and I'll hit publish here. So once it will get published, we'll again go to the product page and we'll refresh the page to see that whether our custom product option is appearing there or not. So this is now published. Let's go back to the product page and I'll hit refresh there. And now here you can see we have our custom message appearing right here. Okay. Now what I want, for example, is to increase the max length or increase the rows. In order to set the custom rows, you can type in a number here and simply click on update. and once you will click on update, it will start getting updated. And if I refresh the page, this will get refreshed. Don't worry about how it is appearing, that it is appearing right below the add to cart button. I'm just using a theme called Ray. It is a WordPress theme that I downloaded from Theme Forest. I'll have to add some CSS here, but later I'll add that. But in your case, if you are using any other theme, it will appear right below these product options, and right below this custom product option you will have your add to cart button. So don't worry about this. Now, for example, what I want is to add a date picker collection so that I know that when I'll have to deliver this product to the customer. So what I will do is to simply click on this date field, and from this date field I'll once again click on this pen icon and I'll choose it is required, and here I'll type in pick the delivery date. In this field I do not want to add a placeholder. Just keep the all other things like the way they are, and then simply hit update. Once you will hit update, this field will get added in your product. And if now I refresh this page, you can see that we have our date picker field appearing here. So from here you can pick the date, and the all things are appearing here. I click on quick view button. You can see they are all appearing here. So from here I can choose a color, and then here I can type in a message, but for now let's say testing. Here I can choose a date, and then I can click on add to cart. Here you can see the product is added to cart with the message field that is test, and the pick the delivery date, and here is the date of the delivery. So in this way, using this particular plugin, you can add the custom product options in your WooCommerce website. If you like this video and you find something new that you learn, I highly encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please click on the bell icon so that you never miss an update from me. I'll see you in the next video.